Hey, welcome to Layer Sets Control Dimension Size or something like that. Timer started 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Let me see if I can get through this real quick. I got a buddy who asked me to comment on this video. Comment on this video. New video from Chief on Facebook. That's what he's asking me to comment on. And Scott Harris, who I have a lot of respect for, did a video, and it looks like Bill Page, whatever, did something. So he's asking me to comment on this video that Scott Harris did in regards to controlling the text size via layer sets. And I watched this video, and I know this stuff pretty good, I think, but it was confusing as heck to me how he even got there. I'm not sure. I saw what he was doing, but I don't know why he was doing it. I don't know why he was doing it. And so I'm going to just comment on the way I do it. And maybe it makes sense to you guys. In fact, here, Johnny says a good video for help, but when I watch this, it confirms how overly complex, without a good reason, the system is. And I get it. I was watching the freaking thing and I didn't understand. I saw what he could do, magic, but how does that help me produce my set of plans? That's what Johnny says. Here's a MTHD. I wish I would remember his name. He's from Australia. Yes, it is complicated, but how can it be done more simply for us in CA? Well, if I tell you how it can be done more simply, I'm about to do it. I'm going to show you. What's this? Okay, so I watched Scott Harris's video, and I think if you watch the video, at one point he shows. Look at this. This is a screenshot of his video. And I think that the dimension here, this 120, and this 120 was supposedly the same size. I mean, using the what this is. Oh, this is, look at this. This is 1/4 inch scale, and this is 1/2 inch scale. So you guys down in Australia, you don't understand what we're talking about here, but we're talking about how big should this text be? Well, when it gets printed, I think we want it to be 1/8 inch. That's what some of our building departments require. So do you think this up here is 1/8 inch? And if that's 1/8 inch, is that what, 1/4 inch? I don't know. It confuses the heck out of me, man. I'm confused. So I'm going to show you how I do this. And layer sets to control dimension size and text size and color. I get it. We all do that. We get that. Layer sets control the dimension size and the text size and color if you have it set up right. That's the point of this. So how do you make it simple? Here's a set of plans I have. It's a junk set of plans, and I'm right now in my floor plan set. And let me show you something here. 9. I'm going to select the dimension, change the 9, and I'm going to change this to 8. Do you see how much bigger that text is? What I'm saying is, for my dimension layer set 9 is my hotkey. I open this up, and it's using the text style for my dimensions as 8CB, which to me means it's size 8 Chief Blueprint. That's all it means. It's not 1/4 inch scale or 1/2 inch scale or whatever. That's the size it is. And because when I send this to layout, this is the floor plan. I know I'm going to send this floor plan to layout at 1/4 inch per foot. I'm going to send it to 1/4 inch per foot. And so I know if I'm going to send it to 1/4 inch per foot, I really want the text size to be 4CB, 4 inches, and Chief Blueprint. And there it is. If this floor plan goes to layout it's a floor plan. It's going to be sent to layout at 1/4 inch per foot. This text is going to show up at 1/8 inch per foot, which is what the building department requires. And so if I'm going to go watch this. If I'm going to go to my roof plan and I send my roof plans to let's see if I can figure this out for you real quick. Shift A. Yeah, I'm gonna show the fucking okay, dimensions. 9. Roof plan. Now this this is going to be sent to layout at 1/8 inch per foot. I'm just telling you. I'm going to send it at 1/8 inch per foot. So instead of 4 CB or 4 inches chief blueprint, I want to send it at. I want to use 8 CB. Watch this. 8 CB. No, what do I know? Jesus Christ, man. MK. 9. 8 CB. Cancel. Stop. Hey, sorry about that. Sorry about that. And someone made the comment, "Why is this so confusing?" I get it. It is. So you got to really know what you're doing. And for some reason, I have it set up that it works for me. But here it is right here. Here's the roof plan. I'm going to set up this roof plan. And the question is the dimensions, roof plan, dimensions. I'm going to do an automatic dimension, shift A. There's my automatic dimensions. And they're at a certain size, 9. 2 CB. This is going to be sent to layout at, if it's going to be 2 CB, I should send it to layout at 1/2 inch per foot. I'm just telling you. If it's a 1/4 inch per foot, I need to send it. I need to use 4 CB, which is 4 inch chief blueprint. If I'm going to send it to layout at 1/8 inch per foot, it needs to be 8 CB. I'm just telling you. I've just done it that way. So if I set, you see what happens? See what happened? I just changed all those dimension, the text size for dimensions to 8 CB, 9. Well, let's say 8 CB, 8 CB right here. Text off for dimensions automatic is 8 CB. I'm going to change it back to 2 CB. That way I know what size it is. What is this 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, what does that mean? I mean, it's easier for me to understand that 9, I'm going to send this roof plan to layout at 1/8 inch per foot, so I need 8 CB. 8 CB. I just know what it is. You figure it out. There it is. Oh wait, I'm going to send it to layout at 1/2 inch per foot. No, I'm going to send it to layout at 1/4 inch per foot. 1/4 inch per foot. Hang on a second. God dang, I just lost it. 9. I'm going to send it if I'm going to use 1/4 inch per foot, I know it has to be 4 CB, which is 4 inches and quarter. I don't know what it is, but that's what it is. If I'm going to send it to layout at 1/8 inch per foot, it's a smaller scale. I know I need bigger text, 8 CB. You see the text gets bigger. If I'm going to send it to layout at 1/2 inch per foot, I need smaller text, 9. 1/2 inch, so it's 2. It's kind of funny that this worked out to 2 for 1/2 inch, 4 for 1/4 inch. I can't explain it. There it is. End of part 1. Don't watch this crap if you don't like it. I don't care. But I think this might help you. It might help. That's the end. End of part 1.